Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Arisa Sufiani BINTI ADIE SUFIAN. In this video, I will be presenting our GUI application, which is transportation.
Hi, my name is Trisha. I'll be presenting about the motivation of our project. The motivation behind this project is to create a small parking lot management system that allows users to input and manage parking information efficiently. The project aims to simplify the process of tracking parked vehicles, their owners, and the duration of their parking, making it easier for parking lot administrators to manage the facility. Next will be our background. Parking management is a critical aspect of urban planning and facility management. With the increasing number of vehicles, efficient management of parking spaces becomes essential to avoid congestion and ensure smooth operations. Traditional methods of managing parking lots can be tedious and error-prone. Therefore, a digital solution that automates data entry and provides a user-friendly interface can greatly enhance efficiency and accuracy. There are 5 objectives to our project. The first one will be developing a user-friendly interface, creating an intuitive GUI for users to enter and manage parking information. The second one, collecting essential parking data, gathering information such as the vehicle owner's name, vehicle number, parking duration, and whether the vehicle is electric. Next, simplifying data entry, providing easy-to-use input fields and controls for users to enter data. Apart from that, ensuring data validation and feedback, implementing data validation and providing feedback to users upon successful data entry. Last but not least, enhancing efficiency in parking management, streamlining the process of recording and retrieving parking information.
Based on the flow diagram, we can see that we use two Java classes, which are main class and transportation class. The transportation class contains the attributes JText field, a private text field for the user to input their name and vehicle number, JRadio button for the user to choose the hour parking option, J checkbox electric to indicate whether the vehicle is electric or not, and lastly, the integer parking hour to store the number of parking hours. As for the methods, we used a public constructor to initialize the transportation object. Next, a public void main UI method to set up the main UI components. Next, string getName method to get the name for the text field. And string getVehicleNumber method to get the vehicle number from the text field. We also used integer getParkingHours and boolean is electric method to check whether the vehicle is electric or not. And lastly, void setParkingHours to set the number of parking hours.
Hello, my name is HILMAN and today I will demonstrate our code in my IntelliJ. So this is the code. This is the transportation which is contains all of the GUI and all of the coding. And here is our main. We will execute the transportation class over here. So when I click this, it will run the code, and now we have the small parking lot manager. Is our code. So in this GUI we can fill the name, for example John, and the plate number is, let's say, ABC123, and you need to pick the desired hours that you want to park your car. So let's say if I click 1 hour, then it will have a pop-up that will remind you that you select the parking hour that set in 1 hour. It also goes the same to as the 5 hour and also 8 hour. So it have an option or a checkbox if your car is in electric. So if car is electric, you tick yes. If car is not, you unclick it. So and then after you fill the all of details, you can press the submit and the record, and the pop-up will say the record has been saved. So let's take a look at our code here. So first we have our main class here, which is the transportation with that extend to the JFrame, and we will have all of our AWT element, which is text field, text field for the name, text field for the vehicle, the radio button for 1 hour, 5 hour, and 8 hour, and and the checkbox for the electric one. And now we have the method, which is the transportation method. So we at the start we will set the title of the frame, so the small parking lot manager, and set the size, which is 640 to the 480. So we will use the border layout, and we will initialize the another method to add our component, which is in our case main UI. So set default close on operation is when we close, when for example we need to click this X on the window, what we will do. So, and also set the visible frame to be true. So this is our top panel. Okay, so I will show the GI once again. So the title is on the top, which is the small parking lot manager, and the top have the color of the light gray, so it kind of blends into the other elements. Okay, and I set the code. I set the title as the Tahoma, which and the font is in the bold. So this, and also the size is like 24. And also next we have the center panel, which is this area around here. You have name, plate number, design hours, and electric. So we set the color to the light gray, and the grid bands constraint is like we call it like margin. So we set the margin, so the whole of center elements is kind of like um around here, and not fill the whole frame of this GUI. Okay, and then we also have the label, enter your name, yeah, text field, name, yeah, text field, this our need, this our fill in the blank, plate number, our label, and also the text field, and also the label of the peak design hour. And also next we have the radio button, so like this, and we add all of the components to our panel. And also we have also the item listener for this each of the radio button. So we can see that when we have listener, that if I click this hour, or I click this radio button, the pop-up will show. So I set the pop-up show will show that the parking hour set to 1 hour. It also goes the same as the another at all of other ones. Also the label, or this is electric with the checkbox. So for example, if I press the checkbox, the coding here is selected, and also is I deselected, the electric vehicle is not selected. So we will set so yeah, and that is for the center, set that is for the center panel. And then the bottom panel, we have the um bottom panel. So the bottom panel same color light gray, so it can blend with other elements and other panel. So we set here the submit button, and the submit button have the action listener. So for example, this I press the submit, we will come up and say the record have been saved. Okay, and also the add here, we will add all of the elements and sort it to the border layout, for example north, center, and south. And also we have the getter methods for the encapsulation. So with the so of the information that get in here will not get, if is secure and not easy to get access to. and and also like our component in the GUI is also private, so it will it is secure and cannot be accessed to another class. So this is the transportation Java. For the main Java is just another class to execute the transportation. Okay, thank you.
In conclusion, our project successfully implements a small parking lot management system that allows users to input and manage the parking information effectively. The application provides a user-friendly interface for data entry and validation where the system collects essential information such as the vehicle owner's name, plate number, and parking duration. By the end of this project, we managed to achieve our objective, which are to simplify data entry, ensuring data validation, and enhancing the efficiency of parking management. That's all from us. Thank you.